In today's video, I am going to teach you how to integrate Zoho Crm with Zoho Projects. To begin, sign in to your Zoho Projects account and make sure you are on the main home dashboard for your portal. This is the central place where you can access your projects, recent activity, and most importantly for this setup, your settings and app connections. If you are in the middle of a project view, return to the home area so the top navigation is easy to find. Next, go to the top section of the Zoho Project screen and click the highlighted menu area that opens your setup options. This is where Zoho Projects keeps administrative tools, including integrations. When you select it, you should see more configuration choices appear, typically along the left side or in a settings panel. From there, find and click Marketplace. The Marketplace is where Zoho Projects organizes extensions and connections to other services, including other Zoho products. Opening Marketplace is an important step because the CRM connection is managed as an app integration, not inside a specific project. Inside Marketplace, click Zoho Apps. This section narrows your options down to official Zoho to Zoho integrations, which is the most direct and reliable way to connect Zoho CRM with Zoho Projects. If you have many integrations available, using Zoho Apps helps you avoid scrolling through unrelated third-party tools. Now locate Zoho CRM in the list and click on it. This opens the Zoho CRM integration page, where Zoho Projects provides the available configuration and connection guidance. At this point, you are in the right place to confirm you selected the correct Zoho app and to review what the integration supports. Finally, click How do I configure? This link provides the instructions and details you need to complete the configuration properly. Read through the guidance carefully, since it typically explains what permissions are required and what to expect after the connection is enabled. Once you have opened the configuration help, you have successfully reached the setup area for integrating Zoho Crm with Zoho Projects. That covers everything you need to know.